Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to book a tour on the Recreation.gov application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the Explore button down below in the left side corner of the page, and then tap on Tickets and Tours and find your next adventure section. Here you should enter your location, tap on the relevant one that you are interested in, and here you can find the options. Tap on the relevant one. Here you can check out the availability, select check-in date and the checkout date, tap on apply dates down below, click on partially available in this case, and here you can set the dates, tap on apply dates, tap on book now, and here you can add your order details. You need to wait a few seconds. And here you will be able to add your name, email address, phone number, postal code, the camping equipment, number of vehicles, and then click on the proceed to cart section and select the method of payment, and then you can finish the process of purchasing the tickets. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.